Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting water at the nearest shutoff and opening the tap to drain residual pressure. This prevents sprays and tells you if you shut the correct valve. Next, put down rags to protect finishes and place a bucket under the fittings to catch drips. Apply penetrating oil to the stuck nut and let it soak for several minutes so the lubricant penetrates. Once soaked, position your adjustable or basin wrench for optimal leverage, making sure you pull in the loosest direction without twisting the supply line. You now focus on the stubborn connections. Use a basin wrench on the back nut and an adjustable wrench on the supply nut. Apply controlled force. Try short, sharp tugs, then steady pressure to break the corrosion seal without damaging pipes. If metal threads are corroded, reapply penetrating oil and wait. Patience prevents rounded nuts. When access is tight, position the pivot head for the best angle. If you carefully need heat, use a hairdryer for about 30 to 60 seconds to expand metal slightly. Avoid flames near plumbing or finishes. You lift the faucet after removing mounting nuts and disconnected supply lines. Pull straight up to avoid tearing seals. Inspect the deck and clean old gasket material and mineral deposits with a brush so the new seal sits flat. Before reinstalling or fitting a replacement, wrap male threads with plumber's tape and thread carefully to avoid cross-threading. Once installed, turn the shutoff back on slowly and run a low-flow test. If you see leaks, stop, tighten the specific nut. And if leaks persist, shut water off and reseal the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.